Welcome back to Demystifying Agriculture. Today, we're diving into the future of gardening with hydroponics. If you've ever dreamed of growing your own lush, bountiful garden without soil, then you're in for a treat. Hydroponic gardening is a game changer, allowing you to grow plants in a nutrient-rich water solution, providing precise control over every aspect of your plant's growth. Let's explore how you can revolutionize your garden with hydroponics. Step 1. Understand hydroponics. Hydroponic gardening involves growing plants without soil by delivering nutrients directly to the plant roots through water. This method offers several advantages, including faster growth, higher yields, and efficient use of resources. Step 2. Choosing a hydroponic system. There are various types of hydroponic systems, each with its own pros and cons. From simple systems like the Kratky method to more advanced setups like nutrient film technique, NFT, and deep water culture, DWC. There's an option for every gardener. Step 3. Setting up your hydroponic garden. Regardless of the system you choose, you'll need a few essential components. A reservoir for the nutrient solution, a pump for circulation, a growing medium or net pots, and a pH and EC meter for monitoring. Step 4. Choosing the right plants. While almost any plant can be grown hydroponically, some are better suited to this method than others. Leafy greens like lettuce, herbs, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers are popular choices for hydroponic gardens. Step 5. Nutrient management. Maintaining proper nutrient levels is crucial for the success of your hydroponic garden. Use a balanced hydroponic nutrient solution and monitor pH and EC levels regularly to ensure optimal plant growth. Step 6. Light and temperature control. Providing adequate light and controlling temperature are essential for healthy plant growth. Choose the right grow lights for your setup and maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels in your growing environment. Step 7. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Like any garden, hydroponic systems require regular maintenance to prevent issues like algae growth, nutrient deficiencies, and pH fluctuations. Stay vigilant and address any problems promptly to keep your garden thriving. With these steps, you can unleash the full potential of hydroponic gardening and enjoy a year-round harvest of fresh, nutrient-rich produce right at home. Thanks for joining us on this journey of demystifying agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on innovative gardening techniques and sustainable agriculture practices. Until next time, happy hydroponic gardening.